How to hide notification contents on lock screen of Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to keep your messages and app alerts private on your Android lock screen, here is how you can hide notification content in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on Notification and Control Center. Now here, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the lock screen option which can be seen in the top right side under the notification. Now here, once you see the list of apps, simply tap on the format which can be seen at the top. Now here, you can see the three options. From here, simply tap on the option labeled as Don't Show Lock Screen Notifications. And once you have selected it, your notification will still appear but the message detail will stay hidden until you unlock your phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.